Hi, my name's Philomena Jack. I'm here with my friend Bunzie D Rabbit. We're here in collaboration with the Arts Council of the Southern Finger Lakes, here to help celebrate National Youth Art Month. Today we're going to be making some fun finger puppets out of some pipe cleaners, some googly eyes, and some stickers, and there may be a little surprise in your bag. If you were able to pick up one of these bags, that's great. But listen, if you don't have the bag, that's fine. You probably have a lot of this stuff at home. Really, all you need is, again, some pipe cleaners. I've got some googly eyes here and some stickers. And if you don't have the stickers and you don't have the googly eyes, don't worry, you can still make this, all right? Let's get our fingers warmed up to make our finger puppets. Here we go. So your kit, if you were able to pick one up, is going to look different than my kit potentially. Your colors are going to be different, your googly eyes are going to be different, your stickers may be different colors, but that's okay. So let's get started. We're going to start with this googly eye butterfly right here, which is so fun to say. I'm going to start with my pink here. Again, your colors are going to be different. Along the way, we need to be very careful because we have some pokey bits here. We have some pokey bits at the ends of our pipe cleaners, and also our googly eyes. They're small little bits, so you want to keep those away from small children and if you have any pets who like to nibble on things. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take my pink pipe cleaner here. Again, your color is going to be different, and I'm going to twist the ends together, and then I like to fold over that part that might be a little pokey. Then I make it very straight, and guess what I do? I find the center, and I twist there as well. So I've got a twist. All right. So now I'm going to do that again with another pink one. And take your time. I'm rushing here so that you can see the full process, but I really would love for you to take your time. I'm always bending over those pointy bits so they don't hurt my fingers. Twist, twist. And then I'm going to twist these together. Fold one over the other and give it a twist. And then I can open up. Ooh, can you start to see the butterfly? Can you start to see the butterfly wings? I see them. So there you go, that's the first part. And guess what? We're going to do that same thing with another color. So I'm going to choose blue. I'm going to fold it in half. You can use whatever colors you want. You don't have to use the colors I have. Fold it in half. Give it a twist in the middle. Do it again. Fold it in half. Sing it along with me. Fold it in half. Put in those pokey bits, please. I don't want anyone having pokey fingers. Fold it in half. And then guess what? Remember, we did this before. We're just going to twist those two together so we have a new set. And we're going to open it up. That's going to be the second part of our butterfly. Take your time. Again, I'm going quickly here. I'm going quickly, but I would love for you to take your time, okay? Take your time. All right, and then I'm going to put one of them over the other. So I'm making a stack. You can make it stacked either way, blue on top of pink, pink on top of blue, it doesn't matter. And then we're going to take another one of our pipe cleaners. And I'm going to start by laying it on top, kind of folding that part over, and then going 1, 2, 3. I wrapped around 3 times. I use my fingers to smush it. And then I'm making a loop at the back. I'm going to slide the end of the pipe cleaner, let's see, maybe around the blue here. Just going to slide it and make a twist. So I've made a loop. I've just made a loop so that I can get this on my finger. Yours may look different than mine. That is totally fine. On the second one, I'll show you another way. So keep watching so you can see another way to do this. Then I'm going to pinch this together. Again, watch those pokey bits. No hurt fingers, please. And then I've twisted, and now you can see this ring I have fits right on my finger. Maybe you fit it on your thumb. Maybe you've made it so that you can put it on 2 fingers for your puppet. Isn't that fun? Now, if you'd like, you can take some of your googly eyes. Let's see, I'm going to take this, maybe I'll take a white one. That's one size. Oh, no, I'm going to pick a smaller one. So these, all of your googly eyes are actually a sticker. And it may take you a minute to peel off the back here, but you can do it. Use your fingernail, and you'll see that there is a little disc here where you can peel off. Whoop. And then I can put on my googly eye. There he is. Oh, how cute. Then maybe I'll give him 2 different size eyes. I think that's silly. I'm gonna give him another googly eye. So this butterfly has 2 different googly eyes. It's like he's saying, wow. Now the stickers, what I like to do is I like to pick 2 different color stickers, and I'll take, let's see, I've got this sort of turquoise sticker, and I've got this purple sticker, and I'll put them back to back. So let's see, you can decorate your butterfly anywhere you like. So I'm going to put one there, and then I can put the other one right on top. So this is a good project to get you to help practice on matching things up. There you go. So then you can add another sticker, and then you have your butterfly friend. Okay, so now let's look at what would happen if we did that exact same thing, but instead of lining up when we made our butterfly, we lined up our wings, right? Instead, what if we did this? What if we spread the petals out to make it like a flower? And let's say we wanted to add, I'm going to take a pink one. We can add as many of these as we like. Again, we bring it together, we twist, 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 and tuck in those pokey parts. Find the center, twist, and then we can twist on another petal here. So I can make this flower have as many petals as I want. I want you to use your imaginations, okay? Use your imaginations and twist on as many petals as you like. And then I put one big googly eye in the center. I'm thinking of this as an alien flower. It came from another planet to investigate. It heard we had beautiful butterflies, so it wanted to come and check out our butterflies. And then you could put on a whole play. You have a butterfly on this side, making friends with this alien flower on this side. But what else could you make? What else could you make? Could you imagine making a bunny? So let's say we had a bunny that had blue ears. We had a bunny with blue ears and big whiskers. A bunny with blue ears and big whiskers. Could you imagine making a bunny friend? Put on another eyeball. Bunzie likes when we make bunny friends. So that's all you need to do. You need to take your pipe cleaner, fold it in half, twist, 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 and make sure you fold in that pokey part. Do a couple of those, layer them on top of each other, and then wrap your center. Create a loop in the back. Add googly eyes wherever you like. I can imagine putting googly eyes on the stickers too. So I'd love to see what you make. We have lots of videos here at Philomena Jack Studio here on YouTube. We have lots of videos. I'd love to see something that you've made. Thank you so much for spending time with me and Bunzie. Congratulations on making your butterflies and your alien flowers and maybe bunnies and what other creatures you could imagine. Have a good day. Bye.